Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day, and I have a question for you. Do you grove? I do, and we're going to find out all about it once I welcome everybody to my channel. Hi guys, glad to have you here today. I'm so glad when you have an opportunity to stop by and see what I have, and I really appreciate you. And leave me a comment down in the bottom and I'll be happy to get back with you. And if you're new here, well, we do lots of different types of unboxings, and today is a different style of unboxing and subscription, but it is a great one and one that's eco-friendly. And today we have Grove Collaborative. That's right, we are going to grove and see what I got and see what I purchased. I always leave a message and it says, Vicki, we love you. And Vicki is my name, but I go by Miss Jackie. That's my nickname, and that's why my channel is Miss Jackie Russell. And we're going to pop in this box and see what I ordered. Now, Grove Collaborative it's like a monthly shopping subscription. You can choose whatever you want. You can go in and buy as much or as little as you want. Now, I am a VIP, and for a VIP, I pay $19.99 a year, and I get free shipping anytime I ship anything. And so that's at least once a month. And even if I needed something like that was not on my monthly subscription and I ordered, they would still ship it free for that month. They do charge a $2.99 handling now. I think that's a handling fee is what they charge. A lot of companies are having to go to that because of the shipping rate increases, but they do charge that, and I can pick as much as I want. But to get the free shipping, I do need to order $29 or more, which is not a problem, okay, because I order my laundry detergent, coconut oil, all kinds of stuff, so it adds up to over $30 just like that. And you know, it would for you too if you're ordering cleaning supplies and beauty supplies and just different things that you need every month. Now, this month I have ordered several things. I think I've got something new or maybe a special that they was having. But another thing that Grove does is if you're a VIP, you get free gifts, and you get at least 4 a year, and usually I get more than 4. So I mean, like, they're really great about that. They're great about their customer service. If there's ever an issue, they get back with you really quick, and they don't dawdle around about it. They try to find an answer and get back with you right away. They really do, and I really like that. It's convenient because I don't have to lug all this heavy stuff around when I'm shopping. You know, I used to get all my laundry detergent and then have to bring it all home. Well, now it just comes in a box and I just unpack it and I show it to you guys. Inside, it's a little heavy, so I don't remember what I purchased, but it's just got packing paper. We're going to take all that paper out. And oh yeah, that's why it's heavy. I got some new things, I got some old things. And I will tell you too, if you go in to make your order, you want to choose what you want. So in other words, they'll fill your cart with things that you've ordered in the past, and each month you need to go in there and edit your cart to what you need. And you can take anything out and add any back in. They don't care. They just put it in there to let you know that this is what you ordered last month, or if you're under a subscription of like every 2 months or 3 months, then it'll show up in your cart that you're ready to have that product again. Oh, and when you do that, and if you ship now, up at the top it'll give you a free gift to ship now if it's over $35, I think. And I usually do that so I can get an extra free gift. But in this, I got my Seventh Heaven disinfectant. Now, this is normally $6.99, but last month they had it on sale for $5.99. This kills 99.99% of all bacteria and viruses. No rinse required, and it is a botanical disinfectant, and it's lavender and vanilla and thyme, and I really like this. And since it was on sale, I got 2 because I use this a lot to disinfect around here with all the dogs and puppies. Now, the next item that I ordered was some of this Method all-purpose cleaner refill. This is a refill cleaner, and I was told that this smells so good, so I just had to try it, and all they had was the refill size, so I ordered the refill size, and I want to see what it smells like. Since I went to all that trouble to get some, let's get this off of here so we can have a little sniff. Oh, that does smell good. It's grapefruit. And it's got a sweet, like a ruby red grapefruit. That's what it smells like. Very nice. I can see why people like that scent. So I'm going to refill it in my bottles whenever I finish up what I'm using right now. I think this was around, I don't really remember. I really hate to give y'all a price because I don't remember. But it's 2 times the refill. And it smells good. And that's the other thing I like about the natural, eco-friendly cleaning, is that everything's fresh and clean and has an essential oil basically as its main scent and its cleaning agent. Now the next item that I ordered was coconut oil. Just like I told y'all, I get my coconut oil there. This is the Dr. Bronner's Whole Kernel Virgin Coconut Oil. This is a very nutty tasting coconut oil. You can use it in your cooking, you can use it for hot cooking, you can use it for anything that calls for oil when you're baking and or cooking. This can also be used directly on your skin, on your hair, to treat, do a hair treatment. You can use it on your animals, on their coats if they're having a dry, itchy patch. You can put it on there and it'll help soothe that. If they've got the little hot spots or I want to call the dry, flaky kind of skin, this is really good for that. So there's many uses. You can even put a teaspoon in your coffee and it helps you with your fatty fat chains. Your triglycerides helps reduce those. You would think that having oil in there would increase them, but some oils are really good for reducing. So this is a great healthy oil and I highly recommend it. Right now it has gone up. It used to be $10.99. With inflation, this is now $14.99. Yeah, everything's just going up. So it doesn't matter where you go, it's all going up. Now the other item that I ordered was a special for $10.99. And that's the other thing I like about Grove. Every once in a while, they have specials. And you can get some great deals. And this here is a soap dispenser. So it's basically, I got the soap dispenser free. So we just take this off of there. It was kind of upside down there. And then what I got to put in here, and I can keep this in my kitchen because I have the stainless steel and the white, gray, and blue, but I got me some Ultimate Dish Soap. It cleans 1,000 dishes, removes 48 hours stuck on food, and this is the lemon and eucalyptus. And I got this bottle and 2 full canisters of 16 fluid ounces each for $10.99. Yes, this was like 40% off, and it was a package special, and I jumped on it because these normally cost $4.99 each, or maybe $5.99 now, but usually $4.99. So I mean, just buying these 2 paid for that, or buying that got these free. However you want to look at it, I got a good deal, and I really like it. What do you think? And they called it the Grove Dish Soap Dispenser. And it says on here that it's brushed stainless steel pump, durable and recyclable glass for Grove Company dish soaps with 100% natural fragrance, non-slip silicone down on the bottom. So it's very nice, and like I said, I love it. I already have a couple of these, but you can never have too many dispensers. I've got other bathrooms that this could be used in besides just the kitchen. And this dish soap is 100% natural fragrance, but it's easy on your hands, so it doesn't dry it out too bad. I wouldn't say it's moisturizing, but I'll just say because it's natural, it doesn't dry out your skin. Now the next item I got was my free item for ordering over $30, and I got to get European dishcloths. And these are the Grove cloths. They probably run around $4.99, and I got 2. I got this blue one and this yellow. If you have not used the European or the Swiss cloths for washing your dishes and rinsing and wiping off your counters, you're missing out. These things are great. It's better than a sponge, I think. It kind of acts like a sponge and a washcloth all in one. And I love the colors, and this is just a great little cleanser. It says, less waste, more clean. These durable and absorbent sponge cloths, maybe that's why I thought they were sponges or like sponges. These absorbent sponge cloths in limited edition patterns are perfect for mopping up any kind of mess and bring a touch of fun to your cleaning routine. Simply pop them in the dishwasher for easily disinfectant after each use to clean, and you can make paper towels rolls a thing of the past. So you can use these over and over, and I have found that out, and you can wash them. And, they just come back. They get hard now. Like when they dry out, they get back hard like a sponge. But as soon as you get it wet, just absorbs right up, wipes up everything. It doesn't leave a little mess or a trail of water or anything behind you. Now, the next item I got in here was a couple of samples. And they always have free samples. And you can type in free samples and you can go find out what the free samples are. And this time I got a sleep aid free sample. This is a melatonin, L-theanine, and botanicals. And then I also got an Ors Alp, and this is a natural face moisturizer eye cream. So I can try these out if I decide that I like them. Of course, I can order them. Now, when they send you samples, they will drop them in your box for the next order. So if you did like them, then they conveniently have it there for you to order if you want to. If you don't want to, you just simply take it out. Like I said, they're very friendly. They're great to work with. And that is pretty much my box. It looks like I might have got a couple of advertisements. We got a free welcome gift. And this is for Jot is Your Coffee, so you can join a coffee club if you're interested, which I'm not, but you may want to, and you might want to check that out. You can screenshot it. And then the other free little coupon that I got was the easiest way to eat healthy, and it's a limited time for get free veggies from Hungry Root. And I don't know much about that, but if you're interested, there's the information, and again, you can screenshot that. But that is my Grove. Now, what's your favorite item? Well, I'm not going to toss all this back in the box because I'm going to use most of this. But I will have to say I've got lots of favorites here. So for me, I like them all. But hey, there's some more news. You can get a free starter kit. That's right. Grove has given me a link that you can click on, and I'll have it in my description. And you can go over there and you can try these products free. Now, a lot of times they will send you something like it might be a glass dispenser with the spray where you can clean your floors or maybe your cabinets, but they'll send you cleaning supplies, and they'll be natural cleaning. You might get some dish detergent by your sink. You could get something like this. I don't know. I just know they have a nice little starter kit. It's yours absolutely free. You just click on that link, and I think the only thing is you may have to pay shipping, but I don't even know that for a fact. I just know that it's a great value. I think it's $40 or $50 value, and you can try Grove out for yourself. That's how I got started. I tried one of those links. I ordered, and I've been ordering now for over 2 years, and I never stopped because it was so convenient, and I loved that I was switching over to eco-friendly, environmentally safe products for my family and my pets. So keep that in mind. That's all I have for Grove today. Look in my descriptions for that free kit and for any other collaborations and or giveaways that I may have. And as for today and Grove, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.